Guys, Rob here. Happy New Year. Welcome to 2021. Just out here with the family doing some sightseeing here in Kuta, in Beach Walk actually, for those who know where it is. Just finished a great call with one of the clients which I have for the mentoring. And you know, as I said to him before, with some of my other clients, I'm finding that you get stuck because we're always growing, right? And we're always finding new ideas and finding new ways to look at things. And when it comes to the book, one of the places that we can get stuck is when we have too many ideas that we're trying to put into one book. And as I mentioned before, doing 3 books is like a must. It's like a minimum. And what it helps you to do is it helps you to really focus on one book at a time, which then means that all of the great ideas that you have can be spread across 3 books, as opposed to trying to get it into one. And also what that means then is that when we get stuck in this week to week growth and trying to change the outline, or trying to change what the book is about, or trying to change the book summary, then we know that we need to take a punt and say, well, this is the best of what I have now. And I know that next week, next month, next year, I may be a different person. Parts of me may change, but this is the best of what I have now, and this is what I'm going for right now. And when I divide it up into 3 different books, then it helps to keep me really focused on this book right now, and this is what I'm focused on, and this is what I'll drive deep in, and this is what I'll get done. All right? So that's a really good way to approach this particular area when it comes to books. And look, I just wanted to pass that message on to you just while it was fresh in my mind. And as I mentioned before, have an incredible new year. 2021, here we come, we're already here. And lots of love to all of you. And remember, let's get the book done this year. Let's not procrastinate anymore. Let's take action and get this done. Lots of love to you all. See you in the next one. Have a great week and a great weekend. Bye for now. Lots of love.